How to send voice message in Telegram. Sending a voice message in Telegram is a simple process and you can do it with just a few steps. This video is a short guide to help you out through it. You have to simply launch the Telegram application on your iPhone and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, navigate to the chat where you want to send the voice message. You can choose from an individual chat or group chat. Now, on the right side of your message chat box, you will see microphone option. You have to simply hold it to record your voice message. Once you are done, you have to simply release your hand and it will be sent. If you want to cancel it, then you have to swipe it to the left. In this very easy step, you can easily send voice message in Telegram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.